back once again to how to cook great food, making pizza. So I'm just going to be making this pizza today, this spinach and egg pizza. I'm going to leave the link at the end and below on how to make the dough and how to make the sauce. This is literally, we're just going to be putting this pizza together. So yeah, let's get moving. Okay, so I've got a 12-inch tin here, shallow tin, which I'm going to use. Get your oven on now, really hot, just maximum heat, get it on. And that's 50% or half of our dough that we made if you watch the dough video. Let's get going. So our oven is on. I just like to put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then I'm just going to rub that around just so it doesn't stick, you know. Just get that around there. Let's move on now to our dough. So if you want, you can just put this in the tin and just press it down and push it out. I'm actually going to try and do it with my hand a little bit of rolling pin. I'll be back once I've got it nice and thin. As you can see, maybe from this technique here, I'll just hang it over the side here. I mean, by the way, I'm doing this on a kind of marble surface, cold marble surface. I just sort of hang it over the side, and the weight of it thins it out a little bit. And another thing you might notice is that I really do not care if it's round or not. So if you want to do that in a tin, it's up to you. If you want to just put it in like that, you can do it. If you get it on the tin, you can trim it, or you can just put it like that, a bit more rustic. Back to our tin, which, like I said, I've put a little bit of oil on there. We can chop that over. Get in the sides, push them in, and then simply we're going to just trim this up. I'll just do that with a little knife on the side here. Just go around and trim it. Any little bits on the edge that are either covered or not covered, I'm really not bothered about. That's beautiful. Now we need to get some sauce on there. I find for this size, for me, about 3 tablespoons is enough. You can just work that around. And again, the recipe for this very simple sauce is in the text below, and I'll leave it at the end. I'm happy just like that. That's good for me. Okay, so some cheese, mozzarella cheese, and again, no need to go crazy with it. Well, I don't find that I like to anyway. That's enough, I think, like that, just like that. I've got some Parmesan cheese, finely grated Parmesan. Beautiful. I've got some spinach. Now I cooked this spinach earlier, just boiled it away, just for a few minutes, let it cool down, then I just chopped it up a little bit. Looking good to me. Just get a few black olives on there. I'm keeping the stones in these. You can take them out and chop them if you want. I'm happy just like that. Then what I'm going to do is crack an egg right there in the centre. We're nearly ready for the oven. Just one more thing. I'm just going to get a little bit of fresh basil on there. Might even add some at the end as well. That's ready for the oven. So your oven should be really hot now. Maximum heat. Pop it in. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. So that was in my oven for 8 minutes. Full blast. Now what I like to do now is just get a bit of chili flakes on there. And then a little drizzle more of olive oil or something on like that. You can get some truffle oil if you wanted, but just a little bit of oil. And that's it. That's a beauty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.